check out this hair unit video. I hope you like it as much as I liked it. Now, on to the video. Now right here, I'm measuring for the width, which it has to be 8 inches. So I just want to make sure that I'm doing that properly, that I'm not cutting too far down into the hair. Now right here on this portion, I just want to make sure everything was kind of even, was not lopsided. On to the fade. Now right here, I'm just fading up the hair just like you would on any other regular cut. I'm trying not to take it too high or do anything like that. I'm gonna want to keep it down low, because I can always go up on the fade at a later time. Now right here, it's an old method. I'm just using the comb to kind of rock it back and forth to make sure that my line is going to be straight. Now right now I'm cleaning the scalp. Some people do this before they draw the line, but I like to do it before, and then I come back and clean it up real good. Now I'm putting down the second line where I want my net to stop so that the hair will hang over, giving me that natural look. Now here I'm using my Extravagant Techniques bonding glue. I'm gonna put down a total of 3 coats. Usually on the last coat I put down a little heavier. A little heavier. Now right here I'm going to attach the unit to the head. Start from the front, trying to line it up on that line, that second line that I put down. I'm just going to kind of pull it, not too hard, just pull a little bit and just roll it all the way to the back. And for me, I like to cut off the longer pieces that I know for sure that I would not use. That's just a personal preference of mine, because once you start doing units, you'll see what I'm talking about. The longer pieces you're not going to need. As you can see right here while I'm thinning this out, it's starting to take shape and it looks perfect already, almost without any fibers, without any sprays or anything. I try to do the unit without using a lot of enhancements unless my client asks for it. I hope you liked it. Hit the like button right there. Thank you.